Hello, I'm Miss Lewis. I'm the Year 12 Textiles and Design teacher at Arthur Phillip. This semester we have started with our major project, so looking at the need for the project, and last term students did an assessment where they were able to stand up in front of the whole class and do a proposal as to what they would like to make. Majority of students did quite well. They were very confident in this project time. And so from that moment we have been working through the design process and starting our portfolios. At this stage, students should be at section 2 and section 3 of the portfolio. What that will include is their design sketches, looking at developing the design, progressing it further, and also starting to experiment with fabric decoration techniques. So some students have started applying dyes and other students are looking at digital printing, etc. In terms of our assessment task, we have also completed our designer influence report, where students were able to choose a designer, either past or present, and they had to clearly link how the designer influences their major project. In this assessment task, everyone did really well to clearly link the designers. We did have some students who have found some theory elements difficult, and we have put some measures in place to assist them. But overall, students are doing quite well. In terms of work that is being completed at home, students have been invited to belong to our Google Classroom. This is where we are updating work every lesson for them. They can also access a copy of the work in their Drive folder. I do encourage those students who have not participated in the Google Classroom to please come along and join. Term 2, we are looking at including Zoom meetings where I can be there live with you to answer questions and assist you as we move through our portfolio in this remote learning situation. What we will be focusing on in term 2 is to try and complete our portfolio as best as we can. In terms of practical project, at this point in time we are just continuing to move forward, so I would encourage students to buy their fabrics and paper patterns if they haven't already, and I will keep you updated with anything from NESA, so that at this point in time projects are going ahead. Please continue to develop those as best as we can. In terms of our theory work, we are just completing our finishing and fibre, yarn and fabric technique, so please make sure that you are up to date with those and they are on Google Classroom. Our focus in term 2 is portfolio and major projects, and then preparing for our exam. So we will be placing practice questions up, getting you to look at past papers, and we'll learn a little bit more of the analysing areas of our fibres, which is the section that we struggle with, I guess, the most. Thank you for a great term, and I will hopefully see you next term.